Here we are, 26 Glencoe Drive in Bolton. It's a very, very nice 4-bedroom detached house situated at the head of a cul-de-sac. So we spin it around a bit and give you an idea. Some of the views. And the first thing I think you'll notice is the very, very large paved forecourt. On here we can get certainly 3 cars, probably 4, but all good space. Do you know, you could probably get another one in front. If you've got a medium-sized car, you probably notice the tail park another vehicle if you wanted to. Small feature, always good, a wall charger. Now, at the side of the property here is a bit of a footpath you can get around. It's just obviously at the minute just used for storage. Opening into the hallway. And we've got quite an impressive entrance hall. Plenty of room here. From here to the stairs is probably 10 foot, something like that. So it's got a bit of width, as you can see. There's a radiator behind there, so we've gas central heating, of course. Under the stairs, these have been made into touch and push and pull open storage compartments. But I'll not go into too much of those. We don't open cupboards, or at least I always try not to. I'm in the kitchen. So, kitchen breakfast room. It's kind of an amazing kitchen, really. Beautiful floor tiling, as you think you can see. Dark grey glossy cabinets. Nice inset sink and shiny chrome pillar tap. And this window here actually opens into the conservatory. It's such a big conservatory. Have a preview. So, space there for the American fridge freezer. That isn't included. The dishwasher, however, is. That's there, integrated. Look at these worktops. These are lovely. Beautiful worktops. Oven, one of the latest extractors, griddle, and this appliance doesn't get much better, AEG. So, breakfast table here, dining table if you wish, nice fancy modern designer radiator. Come around this way, open that for you. You can see what's what, and that is into the garage. Now the garage is 3/4 length. The family don't put the car in every night, and there's the gas boiler up there. So it's plumbed up for an automatic washing machine and a dryer here. And behind the door is a uPVC double glazed window. So a little bit of the garage has been pinched to create the dining area here with the extension. Good use of space. Okay, as we go through into this lounge diner. This would normally be a dining area. Probably better if I close this door. Nice doors, aren't they? Did you notice the handles? There we are. So lovely. Nice big room. Under the television here, this is actually a gas fire. There you go. Spread it round. So you can see, again, this end of the room would normally be a dining table and chairs. It's just open space at the moment and to be used and enjoyed. This opens into the conservatory. Now, lovely flooring, very nice. uPVC double glazed. There are 2 electric heaters in here that will stay. I mean, you can see the size of this room. Just look at the settee. I think there's a desk and drawers and so forth there. Lovely. very useful addition. Now the property benefits with the garden, so it's a double-sized plot, being honest. Simple as that. So behind that fence there is an electric substation. Don't do any harm to anybody, it's not a problem. Just means there's an extra bit of space on the road for parking if you needed. Look at the way the garden's been laid, it's lovely. You still got a lawn. That's round here, we're all fenced. Composite flooring, it's not timber, it's not going to rot on you. Or at least it shouldn't do, should it? 2 sheds. I don't think they're in as good a condition as the flooring here, but there are 2 sheds there. Rather neatly done, isn't it? Now the sun beams down onto this. This is a suntrap. I know because I was here not long ago and the sun came out, and yeah, there it is up there now, just shining down on us. So all this is a suntrap. Lovely. Really good, isn't it? Okay, well, we'll move on in. Gives you a chance for an extra peep, doesn't it? Get a nice designer radiator. In we go. So we're going to go upstairs now. And we will go into, turn left because the stairs divide, and into what really is the master bedroom. So the master bedroom, fitted wardrobes, top bridging cupboards, nice modern shiny paper. And in here, into the ensuite. Oh, the ensuite's fit so nice. Really is. This tiling, lovely. There's all the fitments. Oh, lighting into the ceiling. Concealed flush loo. Wash basin. Designer rad. Oh, it's lovely. Is it super? What nice glass shower screen there. Do you know something? You get some good ideas for your own house in this job. In fact, I think sometimes our house can do with some improvement when I see these good ideas. So we're back out onto the landing. So there are 4 bedrooms. This is the smallest. And just a quick brief look. It's a decent size, easy get a single bed in with plenty of room. But it's just used for storage at the moment by the family. Another big double bedroom. This originally would have been the main, of course. So at the front, lovely aspect. You can see grass, you can see for miles, and you can see how it's at the end of the cul-de-sac there and a footpath through. Now don't be looking at those cars and thinking, oh, everybody parks there. They don't, okay, they're ours. and the owners moved one of them off the drive for us as well, so that we could get a good picture to show you the front. So back through, another double bedroom. So that's 3 doubles and a very good single. And finally, the bathroom again. Now, lovely fittings. Beautiful. The water cascades out of here and into the bath. Concealed flush loo. There you go. Very, very nice, isn't it? You know, I think whoever comes to view this is going to be very impressed. It's a nice residential area. All facilities around about. There's plenty of parking. It's got a very, very lot going for it, especially if you're looking for a nice sunny garden. Did I mention the conservatory and the fully fitted kitchen? I think I did. So, anyway, if you would like to come view, please do. We'd be delighted to show it to you. However, as usual, viewings are always by appointment only and accompanied by our own staff, of course. Thank you very much. And we hope to be of service to you soon.